Hello and welcome to another ENS website training video for BlastVisual sign networks. Today we're going to be having a quick look at the BlastVisual profile of your account once you sign into BlastVisual. You can do this by going to www.blastvisual.com and entering in your username and password. Once signed in, you'll be taken directly to the BlastVisual Sign Network's main profile, which will be the My Signs page. Here in the My Signs page, you will have all your content that you've created, all your different storyboards, as well as any of your digital signs which you have placed inside your storyboard. Any digital sign that you have inside a storyboard means that that storyboard will be playing that particular content. There will be lots of videos introducing storyboards and how you can create content and how to move your digital signs around to each different storyboards. Moving up to the hardware, once selected, you can have a look at the different types of storyboards that you have. Please note your reference number beside each storyboard, as this is what you can give to Edit New if you need to have any queries or questions regarding your storyboard. So 736 is the name of your particular storyboard for upstairs, 727 for registration desk, and so on and so forth. These icons on the right hand side of the page will not be used by you, the user, so you can just take note of the actual hardware number that's here on the digital signs hardware. Looking at routers, here you can see the different types of routers and signs and router locations that you have. These will be different for a number of different people. The router here, you can see, looking at the wired location will be here for the Edit New offices, your connection, your SSID, your channel, your crypt, and your key. Your admin will be the person who owns the digital signs and who is the main administrator in this BlastVisual account. Looking at the status, this is an important element of your BlastVisual account. This will show you whether your signs are offline or online. As this is only a tutorial, all our signs are currently offline. Once they're online, these will be lit up with green, and the message here will be displaying that all your signs are online. This is the place where you want to have most of your signs, and you'd want to make sure that they're all online for you. If you're going across and you notice that a sign is offline, you can see the time that this sign actually went offline, the device ID, which will be the hardware number, the description of your ID, the router, and who the person to contact is. The contact person here at this stage will always be the admin person or whoever has created the sign, so this will obviously be you. Let's looking at the My Profile page. This is just some basic information that you have on your account. Please note that you cannot change your name nor your email address. This is because all the information that you have given has been hard-coded into the database, so you would not want to mess around with any of this information. You can change your password. You can also look at your billing and changing your different billing information. You can also look at changing your routers, etc., but these will be generally as standards as what has been set up for you. If you wanted to add some more contact info, you can do so right here. Moving back up, you can, the main navigation bar, you can have your log out button. So moving back to the home page, My Signs. Here on the right hand side, you can see the Create New Storyboard link. Once selected, this will take you to the storyboard layout, where you can create a number of different digital sign content. Back to the home page. Thank you for tuning in. That was a brief introduction to your digital signs account online. Thank you for tuning in. We hope to hear from you again in another BlastVisual tutorial.